Hello and welcome to this video on Prometheus, a powerful and popular monitoring and alerting system. In this video, we will learn what Prometheus is, how it works, and why you should use it. Prometheus is an open-source project that collects metrics from various sources, such as applications, services, containers, or machines. Metrics are numeric measurements that describe some aspect of your system or application, such as performance, availability, reliability, etc. Prometheus collects metrics by scraping them from HTTP endpoints that expose them in a specific format. These endpoints are called targets, and they can be discovered by Prometheus using service discovery or static configuration. Prometheus stores all the scraped metrics locally in a time series database. A time series is a sequence of data points that are associated with a timestamp and a set of labels. Labels are key-value pairs that add dimensions to the metrics. Prometheus also allows you to query and analyze the stored metrics using a powerful and flexible query language called PromQL. PromQL lets you perform various operations on the metrics, such as filtering, aggregation, transformation, arithmetic, etc. You can also use PromQL to define rules that compute new metrics from existing ones or generate alerts when certain conditions are met. Prometheus also provides various ways to visualize and explore the metrics and alerts. You can use the built-in web UI to graph the results of your queries or view the status of your targets and alerts. You can also use external tools like Grafana to create dashboards and panels that display the metrics and alerts in different ways. Prometheus is a great tool for monitoring various aspects of your systems and applications. It has many features and advantages that make it stand out from other monitoring systems. Some of them are: it has a simple yet effective data model that allows you to work with high-dimensional time series data. It has a powerful and expressive query language that lets you leverage this dimensionality and perform complex calculations and analyses. It does not depend on any external storage or coordination service. It is designed to be self-contained, scalable, reliable, and easy to operate. It is extensible and integrable with various client libraries, exporters, gateways, etc. that enable you to collect metrics from different sources and platforms. It is community-driven and open source. It has a very active developer and user community that contributes to its development and improvement. If you want to learn more about Prometheus or get started with it, you can visit its official website at prometheus.io. There you can find the full documentation, examples, guides, blogs, podcasts, videos, and more. Thank you for watching this video on Prometheus. I hope you found it useful and informative. If any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on cloud-native technologies. See you next time.